You are watching day 1 of my intermittent fasting experiment. I'm gonna be on a run all day, so this is the bread I made yesterday, basically 1 day ago. 2 sweet potatoes that I baked in toaster oven overnight. I just washed some tomatoes and I washed some strawberries. I'm gonna take 4 pounds of food to go, or even more. And I'm gonna eat from noon to as long as it takes, maybe till 6, till I finish it slowly. And I will have next meal at noon tomorrow. So it's gonna be 6 hours of eating, 18 hours of food. This one got caramelized. Those potatoes are very sweet. Can't believe they're only 500 calories. Need to peel them. Okay. So I peeled 2 potatoes. Smaller one is cooked perfectly. This one is raw on this side. I don't know who bakes your potatoes, but my potatoes not very even. Alright. Now I'm going to cut them. This is the scale. 0. Here is less than 2 pounds of potatoes. Let's call it, yeah, it's less than 1 pound. Now I'm going to add washed strawberries. I cut them over the napkin to catch the water. I just paused this video and took my weight. It's 200.2 pounds, which means I lost another pound in the last couple days. So I updated my bathroom sheet. So this is the starting weight of 1 month of intermittent fasting. I'm doing not only for weight loss but for hypertension. It's really high no matter what I eat. So I was on a plant-based diet and it didn't work. I lost weight but not hypertension. Let's keep going. By the way, this weight loss came easy. On keto, I was blaming myself that I probably don't comply or something. And this month I drank beer before bed and Bloody Mary with, tomato juice. And it came easy to lose weight. So definitely proven that keto is a bunch of lies, probably paid by pork industry and popularized by social media honeys for karma points. If you are not some kind of teenage girl, why would you need your karma points? Don't support the lie. This potato took almost 1 pound of strawberries. Actually 1 pound full. This one I can fill up with maybe cherry tomatoes or another pound. I don't know. Maybe another pound of strawberries. Go wash them. This is another pound of strawberries. I'm not concerned about because I understand calorie density. This is 150 calories added to my 1 pound potato, and it diluted 1 pound 500 calories by strawberries. So here is probably 2 pounds of food. Just a moment. Here is less than 2 pounds of food, but it's probably 300 calories per pound. Right. Look how much I was missing on keto diet. And also kitchen smells like fucking bacon. Keto liars need to apologize to people. And okay. So deducting containers is less than 4 pounds of food. I can add something else, either rice. I can take 1 more container, so I make sure I have 4 pounds of food, either rice or bread. It's a dilemma. Let's see this bread. Okay. Clean. This is the puddle that mixes the dough. Alright, let's cut it and see what it looks like. No oil, whole wheat. Just take produce bag from sweet potatoes inside out. Hope it's clean. So I put another container just in case to increase it to 4 pounds. I have an old rice in rice maker. Right. I have bread. tomatoes. So I'll take this too. Let's see what happens. Right. This is my food to go. Okay, to summarize. Current weight 200.2 pounds. I'm gonna eat from noon to 6 or as much as I want. Rice, tomatoes, sweet potato, strawberries. 2 of this. Plus bread just in case. I don't need cooler. Napkin, 3 spoons. I don't know why I take disposable spoons if I have to bring containers back anyway. Extra napkins for luxury. That's my lunch to go. Intermittent fasting.